Do you hate transcribing? I do hate transcribing. So, with this little piece of software, if you are a student, a teacher, a content creator, a journalist, I think you will benefit greatly. In here you have the main page. In the settings here you can change the models. You can download the models from the Vibe website, or you can download them even from Hugging Face. Anyway, this is the model I am using right now. GGML large version 3 turbo.bin. That is a Whisper model by OpenAI. In this directory tab, you select the language you want to use. The default is English. You have popular in here, auto detect. That is not working to me so well. And in here I want to choose the Italian language because I want to go to try the microphone input. In here I change the microphone because it's recording with the webcam microphone that is not good at all. And I put this one because it's much better. Now I record and transcribe. But before I want to show you more options. You have in here speaker recognition that I don't use because I'm alone, but if you need anyway, you can enable speaker recognitions. In here summarize, I didn't try to summarize, never. Didn't try to translate. This one, max sentence length, I have put 60. It was 33, the default. And this common sampling strategy, I don't know what it is. And all this one, I leave them the default values. Now I shut the more option. I record and transcribe. Just double check if this is set in Italian. Yes, it is. Record and transcribe. Prova microfono, prova. Perché la domenica mi lasci sempre solo per andare a vedere la partita. I save them in text format. It has no mistakes for a 16 seconds. Anyway, when you record longer, it has some mistake, but not so much that you have to work a lot with it to correct the output. To transcribe a WAV file, there is not need because it has recorded a WAV file with the microphone first and transcribe it later. So now we try to transcribe, a YouTube video. I set it back to English because I want to show you a transcribed video in English. In here you put the YouTube URL.
Has to show they're working to get the right answer.
I double check the start and the end of the video, and it has transcribed everything correctly. By the way, the girl in the video is Mary Spender. She's a guitarist, a singer and songwriter that I like her very much. I want to point you out that you can save the output in many formats. This is text. Usually when I upload my videos on YouTube, I save this in text and I paste it in the subtitle window. But you can save it as SRT too. That is a subtitle file that is used in many video editing programs. I didn't try it on YouTube yet, but I've tried this in DaVinci Resolve, I've tried this in CapCut, and it works on both the softwares. Even if I don't use it for DaVinci Resolve, for example, I export the video I made in audio WAV file, and then I feed to Vibe and I collect the text output and I upload it on YouTube. So it is very easy and very useful. You can put your text output on your LLM, your favorite LLM, ChatGPT or Claude or Gemini, and do whatever you want with it. And for me, I tell you honestly, this little program is a lifesaver. So, this software is free. It is easy to use. It runs locally and is quite accurate. For me, for example, my very poor English, it transcribed quite well. I don't have to spend a lot to correct the output, so I hope you will make a good use of it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you want. Ciao, and see you in the next video.